Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we are talking about process Watchdog. So let's go to the options menu, then we go to control, and then we go to Watchdog. Now you can see here the process Watchdog, which is basically if-then rules allow for you to take an action on a process when it exceeds a certain amount of CPU or memory usage. You can specify actions such as restart, terminate, log, execute, and other type of actions. Both with memory and CPU triggers, you can set a time the process must exceed this threshold before any action is taken. So for example, we want to monitor a process. I can have a regular expression in this field, or I can have the name of the process directly. For me, I will enter GOMPlayer as the name of the process. Then I will specify the trigger. We have the CPU trigger and also the virtual memory trigger. I will select the CPU trigger. For the condition, I will specify 50% for 10 seconds. And then I will specify the action that process lasso can take with that process. Restart the process. Now, how do we interpret these settings? We say that if GOMPlayer is using the CPU more than 50% for 10 seconds, then restart the process or restart the GOMPlayer. And then we can add this rule. We also have this option, which is divide CPU percentage thresholds by system CPU count. And as you can see in here, we have the explanation for this option in here. Divide CPU thresholds by the total logical core count. For example, 3200% could be given, and when divided by 64 cores would be a threshold of 50% of total CPU use. This allows for more precision on high core count systems. And let's go and click OK, and now our rule is added for GOMPlayer. Let's go and find GOMPlayer here in our list of processes. You can see that we have GOMPlayer in here, and we have a few rules defined for GOMPlayer. And these rules are basically an indicator of a process watchdog. And that's it for this episode. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to see you in the coming episodes. Stay tuned.